Hi, I'm going to show you 6 ways to use color mascara. With this look, I just put the pink mascara on the tips of the upper lashes. I'm using the Dior Addict It Lash Mascara in pink. The brush looks quite ordinary and there isn't anything that I can tell that's special about it except that it's plastic. I love the pink tone of this mascara. Here's the second look. The mascara was placed on the outer third part of the upper lashes only. Here's the third look where I put the mascara on 2 sections of my upper lashes. And the fourth look is my favorite, where I just alternated the pink all over my upper lashes. For all these looks, I started with black mascara already on all my lashes. Here's the 5th look. I only put the pink mascara on the tips of my upper lashes. It created a bit of a gradient effect. Here's the 6th look. And I added mascara to my bottom lashes. So that's it for the 6 different looks using the Dior Addict It Lash in pink, and it's number 872. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.